Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can directly link your CashApp account to your Reddit profile page. Now it's a very easy process. People can click the CashApp and directly donate to you in any second. Now the first step, of course, is open up your mobile device or head down to your desktop browser and open up a Reddit. Now from our Reddit, what we want to do, we want to sign into our account, and from there we want to go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now here you want to open up the profile, it's the first option, and from here you see a load of options and you see your profile. Now, as you can already see is add a social link right below the Instagram tab. Now, once you press it, you see a load of options that you can choose. Now here you see in the fifth option, the CashApp option. Now simply open this up, and as you can see here, you can link your username. Now let's say I am how to tag and simply press save. Now this will make a clickable CashApp link which you can press and which will open the CashApp. Now as you can see, I don't have a CashApp account, but this will link directly to your CashApp. Now from there people can donate to you, and it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.